Hi guys! Guess what time it is again? It is unboxing time. And today I will be unboxing a really feminine fragrance that is the Giordani Gold Miss Giordani Floral. Okay? And this fragrance, I expect a lot from it in terms of femininity. So express the joy of femininity with Miss Giordani Floral Eau de Parfum, the enchanting floral fragrance for her. For you, girl, if you're watching this. For your girl, if you're watching this as a man. A sublime composition of Jasmine, Tuberose, Peony, and Ylang elevates and enhances the signature Miss Giordani Neroli note. Sophisticated, vivacious, and blooming, a captivating sensorial journey in a bottle. We invite you to express the joy of femininity with this enchanting floral fragrance. Vivid flower notes elevate and enhance the signature Miss Giordani Neroli. It comes in 50 ml, and of course, I gotta tell you the notes in this fragrance. So at the top, we have Mandarin, Neroli, and ginger. At the heart, we have Jasmine, Tuberose, and Peony. And of course, at the base, we have Ylang, Cedarwood, and vanilla. Okay, guys, are you ready for that moment? That's the moment. This right here is the moment that I have been waiting for to unbox this fragrance. It's one of my favorite moments. Like, it's just therapeutic for me, opening new fragrances and perceiving them. Okay, so let's do this. Let's check out the Miss Giordani cute little bottle. Okay, the Miss Giordani Floral. Okay, guys, I love this. See, check out the cap. I love it. Right? Moment of truth. Okay, let's see what this smells like. I'm that girl. Oh, let's wear this. I'm in love with it. Like, it's really absolutely feminine. Wow. Like, the Jasmine. Wow, this is really lovely. Really flowery. I love it. It's a floral fragrance, and even the bottle, like, look, I'm not sure you can see this, but it's actually bent somehow. Can you see this beauty? This beauty right here. It's a beauty right here. You see that? It's tilting, that way. Just really lovely. The thought that Oriflame puts into designing their bottles, not only the content, it's just amazing. It's amazing. All right, so remember, I'm your go-to girl when it comes to fragrances for men and women, aside other beauty and wellness products. Okay, so send me a message. Let me help you choose a fragrance for you or your loved one, something within your budget and something that will just match your personality, okay? But trust me, this is for every woman. I can assure you of that. Every kind of, as long as you're a woman, right? This just brings out the you. Yes, people want us to be strong women and all of that, but please enjoy your femininity. Express that femininity. Be a woman for once, okay? So that's it. All right. I can't stop relishing this. It's just absolutely lovely. I won't lie to you. It's lovely. All right. So that's it with this Eau de Parfum. It's what I'm wearing today, by the way. Yeah. There's no time to waste time. All right. So until I come your way in the next unboxing video, have an amazing time. And remember to send me a message. You will find my contact in the description. Thank you very much once again for joining me to unbox another wonder in a bottle. Bye bye.